Barbecue fam. Today we're doing up some breakfast bombs on the Weber 26. Oh hell yeah, you gotta check this recipe out. Go grab your sausage and some heavy cream. Let's get to cooking. You want to get your kettle up for indirect cooking. I'm using the slow and sear basket, so I light up the basket in the center so it's like a stove top. Put the skillet on, and then I just fry up sausage, 2 pounds of breakfast sausage, and then once that's 3/4 done, start adding in a little bit of flour, about 1/3 of a cup, and then stir that all around nice and good until it all dries up. Then we're going to add in about 1/2 cup to 1 cup of heavy cream. We want a very thick sausage gravy for these breakfast bombs. So you could add a little more if you want it runny, but we want to contain that in a biscuit bomb. So let's get to popping some Southern Homestyle biscuits. Oh hell yeah. Flatten them out, fill in the center with as much as you possibly can put in, but it's probably a good size scoop. Fold it all together into a bowl, flip it over so the seam seal is down. We're going to be going on to this Drip and Griddle 26-inch edition. It works fantastic. Spray it with a little canola oil, and let's just get to cooking these breakfast bombs. Get these breakfast bombs on your pit at about 350 for 20-25 minutes. Once that's over, pull them, let them rest, cut into them, and just devour. Oh hell yeah. Boom! I can't take it any longer. These smell amazing. Oh. One. Oh, this one. And then, don't even bother cutting the darn thing. Let's go in with this bad boy. She's piping hot, but I don't care. She smells amazing. Oh, come on. That, oh, hell yeah. Man, that is rocking. So many ways this can be done. This is just sausage gravy. Man. All in the Weber kettle. The whole cook. That's awesome. Rock on. Breakfast bombs. Oh hell yeah. Get your morning right. Get going. Keep it tight. Thumbs up. Down below. You know. Cheers. That's a banger. Holy. I mean, come on. So damn good. Cheers. Oh, man. Boom. Boom.